What's up? So yeah, I had a feeling like photography is like, for me it's actually about having fun,
work,
doing creative stuff, but for the main part, having fun.
yeah.
And a lot of like the videos on YouTube, they're kind of like very technical, and I wanna make this video to just show you that photography is fun.
We're just in a bathtub, like
Yeah,
using it as a prop. Poppers.
It's
Fuck it.
6 or 7 in the morning, I don't know. We met at like some party, and she was like, she takes pictures herself.
I'm a photographer.
Yeah, and I was like, hey yo, I'm a photographer as well, we're photographer buddies. So we decided to go and take some shots. I'll show some later on.
Hell yeah.
Cause like, so we're in my apartment in a bathtub. As
In
you
a
can,
fucking bathtub.
we're in a
At
bathtub.
7 in the morning.
Yeah. And we
What?
decided maybe we should pop one, like a confetti one now.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
And we were like, okay, the bathtub is already cool, but we decided to add some like
Confetti
stuff. We'll show you now. I will pop one.
Do it for me.
Yeah, so we started doing like, I had this like confetti cannons in my apartment that I wanted to use for a long time already. And we just decided to just start doing them in the bathroom. So we're gonna make one for you guys right now.
Alright.
It's kind of deafening, so I'm gonna I'm gonna be like this because I don't want to be deaf after the video.
Alright.
Go.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no! No, fuck!
Are you holding it the right way?
That's what she said. It's not even unwrapped yet.
Yeah, that's
It has like a bunch of plastic over it, no?
normally.
Alright, fuck it. We got this.
Come on, go! Oh shit!
It was like, I don't know if any of that got on camera. This one little.
Yeah, I also don't know. But the pictures look
It
cool
was
with
there.
It, huh? Yeah. So yeah.
Hey!
The most important thing to never forget is to have fun with photography, because it shouldn't be a job. It's something that you're passionate about, that you love doing, you love connecting with people, making cool pictures,
For sure. Like,
spraying confetti.
my boy is in the bathtub with a girl in her underwear and confetti. And sunglasses on.
It's
like,
not a bad thing, yeah. So this video was quite random, but I wanted to show it to you guys, because sometimes you just kind of have fun with what you do, and if you keep doing this, it will make things interesting, and you will keep loving it and wanting to improve. It's very important as well to work hard, to like learn new techniques and to try them out. Think about your creativity, but it all doesn't matter if you're not having fun with it anymore. So that's why it's important to sometimes just be a little bit wack and crazy and do something fun. So I hope you enjoyed this like little piece. It also shows you that you can, like, I don't know, find people to shoot cool pics with everywhere, like in a club, for example. So I'm here in London, gonna grab some food. See you later.